Today we've got a Cincinnati FM2 230 ton 10-foot press brake. It's wired 480 volts. I'm going to run through through a demo right now. I got a program in the Cincinnati and I got a program down in the Herco 6 for the back gauge. So we're going to build some tonnage on the auto cells and just see what happens. We go to the auto cycle. And I got it on palms right now, so here we go. Programmed for 200 tons on these two strokes. That's an 8-inch cycle on the Herco. Switch over to foot here. That'll work on either the right or the left foot pedal. Ram up button. Still stay in cycle. For the Herco, it's tied in right here to the upper limit. You can see it around back if you want to come around back here. That blue limit switch is going to cycle your Herco back and forth. So the other two are for the ram up position. The Herco is just 110 volts. I'll cycle a couple more. The way it should be. Decent round press.